In a speech at the White House today, President Biden officially announcing Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer will be retiring after nearly 3 decades on the High Court. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze tells you how the president is promising to nominate a black woman to fill Breyer's seat by the end of next month.
A defining moment for President Biden and the future of the nation's highest court. The president formally announcing Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer will retire at the end of the court's term in June, and Biden's promising to nominate a black woman to fill the vacancy.
The person I will nominate will be someone with extraordinary qualifications, and that person will be the first black woman ever nominated to the United States Supreme Court.
The president called it a bittersweet day, commending Breyer for his 27 years on the bench. A pragmatist who built compromise among his colleagues, Breyer's legacy includes supporting the Affordable Care Act, expanding free speech, and defending a woman's right to choose by upholding abortion rights.
I think he's a model public servant in a time of great division in this country.
Seeming to acknowledge turbulent times in the country, Breyer said the great American experiment is not over yet, calling on the next generation to uphold the Constitution.
They'll determine whether the experiment still works. And of course, I am an optimist, and I'm pretty sure it will.
Biden says he'll announce his nominee to replace Breyer by the end of February. His first choice is believed to be 51-year-old Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, a former clerk to Justice Breyer, who was confirmed to the D.C. Court of Appeals with some Republican support last year.
I'm looking at the arguments, the facts, and the law.
Other contenders include Judge Leandra Kruger of the California Supreme Court, Judge Leslie Abrams Gardner of the U.S. District Court of Georgia, and Judge J. Michelle Childs of the U.S. District Court of South Carolina.
Senate Democrats are vowing a swift confirmation process, seeking an opportunity to reset after they failed to pass the Build Back Better bill and voting rights legislation. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.
Well, Democrats are vowing a swift confirmation process, seeking an opportunity to reset after they failed to pass Biden's Build Back Better bill and voting rights legislation.